Om Sai Ram to all the beautiful and beloved Baba lovers out there. So let's start with actually today I was reading Sai Satcharitra and I was reading certain stories about Baba where it is said that Baba keeps reminding if he wants us to do some vrat for him, or if he wants us to let go of some things in life. I still remember, a lot of things used to come happen in my life, and I used to feel that Baba is telling me that let go of something that you like to eat for 9 weeks, stay without it. Though I knew it was for my good, he wanted me to start living even without things which I like, so that I'm not used to certain things. But I used to always reply back to Baba saying, Baba, would you stop having your chillam, if I had asked you to do, would you stop going around and asking alms from people, because certain things you like to do but you never let go of it, and then you always did it, so why should I do? In between, even one of my pet went missing, and even at that time many people told me that 9 Thursdays you do that, or you read the Sai Satchatra, 9 Thursdays you leave whatever you like, and you see Baba will bring the child back. I said, no, why? I said, why should I give Baba something in return to do something for me? He's my dad, he's my brother, he's the love of my life, he's my lifeline. He has to give me what I ask him, and I cannot, he's not an officer, or he's not some government person whom I have to bribe ki I will do this and then you do this for me. I said, sorry, I'm not doing that. And even at that time I told Baba, I said, Baba, I don't know, I want my child back. People are all talking about 9 days, 9 Thursdays and all that, but I want my child back in 13 days. And if you don't give him back to me, then what is the point in having a father who cannot protect the child, or who cannot fulfill the child's wish? And exactly on the 13th day my child comes home, and people around me were like, oh, how come? I said, that's it. Baba doesn't expect you to do something for him in return. Baba is asking you to leave something because maybe he wants you to leave it for a good cause, and not like as a barter system ki aap mere liye ye karo, or you do this for me and I'm going to do it in return. I don't believe in that. So even I would tell you, people out there, if you really want to do something for him, do it with heart, do it with love. Yes, I know recently I left something for a cause, and for him, but it was actually not out of barter system, because I just told him, I said, you have been asking me to do this for years now, and I am leaving something which I really like for 9 weeks, but believe me, it is not as barter system. And before even Thursday comes, before even I start doing it, I want you to show to me that I love you the most, and you don't need certain things in return for you to do something for me. So I want you to do it for me before that, or else I will then come and tell you, why should I leave it when you're not doing my work? This is what I had fought with Baba, because many of you all out there know I fight with them. But believe me, do it out of love and happiness, and don't do it just because you want to get something, because Baba doesn't work that way. Baba gives you whatever you want. You just need to ask him, you just need to tell him this is what is your thing, and I'm sure he's going to do it for you. Chalo, let's see what's in the cards today, what Baba is going to tell us in the cards today. Okay, karmic connection. Baba has a karmic connection with his, yes, this I completely agree. I tell Baba, Baba, I am karma for you in life. I don't say he's my karma, but I tell him how much I torture you. Okay, so there is definitely some karma which you and I have. I don't know in which birth I have served you, and you used to give me punishments or give me tests, and now it's my turn to trouble you karke. There in our life, everything comes as a karmic connect. Even our parents, you know even our parents, we select them. Not few years, lot of years back, I used to think, why me, why did I get this life, why did I get these parents, or why did I, what wrong did I do that my childhood was not the way a lot of children's childhood was. But one day my mom said, you selected your parents, and you decided that you will be born to them, so this is your karmic cleansing which is happening, so accept it happily and go with it. And yes, I did accept it happily, and then I decided that whatever happens is for a karmic connect. And so Baba is always there with you, and maybe this also is a karmic connect where I am doing readings for Baba, and you all follow it, and you all love the reading. So today, whatever has happened in your life, don't crib over it, don't repent over it, don't get upset. Maybe it was a reason, maybe it was for good, and maybe Baba wanted it to happen, so that you can just know that everything happens for good. Let's see what's the next card. Again, a beautiful card. Be satisfied with what you have. I always tell this to people. Don't be greedy, don't go way beyond. Be satisfied with what you have, because there are people out there who don't even have this. Every day when I have my food in the afternoon, and it is hot, I tell Baba thank you, because there are people out there leave hot food. They don't even get one time food. At least I'm happy sitting at home. I can switch on my AC and I can have hot food, and I can even eat the food I like. Even I can buy what I like and do. So I am blessed. I should be content with what I have. The day you start becoming content with what you have, your life will become like this, a beautiful smiley, and you will always keep smiling, and you will always keep praising the universe for always blessing you in life. So have a blessed Thursday. May Baba bless you all with all the happiness, and may you all trouble Baba the way I keep troubling also, and may Baba always take care of you as his own children. Om Sai Ram.